Good morning everybody. Today explain about internet. The internet is the global system of interconnected to the computer networks that use the standard internet protocol suite TCP/IP to serve billions of users worldwide. It is a network of network that consists of billions of private or public and academic and businesses and government networks of local to global scope. That's are like abroad areas of electronics and optical networking technology. Suppose internet means the global system. Okay, inner connected to the number of networks is nothing but internet. You are using to the protocol. Okay, billions of users is the worldwide. Number of persons use it to the worldwide. It is the network of network is the consist of private networks and public networks and academic networks and businesses and government networks and local and global scope and linked by the abroad areas of electronics optical networking the technology. Defined the many ways, internet is the worldwide global system of interconnecting computer networks. Okay, internet use the standard internet protocol. Okay, use only standard internet protocol. Every computer in internet identify them by unique IP address. IP address is set of numbers. The best example 110.22.33.114. Okay, this is the IP address which identify the computer location. Okay, the social computer is the DNS, domain name server. For example, DNS server is the will resolve a name http www.webdunia.com. This is the particular IP address to uniquely identify the computer on which is the website of host. Okay, internet accessible to every user all over the world. Okay, next one, services of internet. It allows the user to access the hug amount of information. Okay, the information is text and graphics and sound and software over the internet. The following the diagram, the internet services are divided to the four types. The first one, communication services and information retrieval services and web services and world wide web. Okay, the first one, communication services. The communication services, there are various communication services available for exchanging the information with individual or groups. Email. Suppose the sending and receiving emails around the world at minimal price. Okay, suppose I have created one letter, the forwarded to out of country. I am using email. The sending and receiving email around to the worldwide. Suppose my letter is forwarded to abroad. This is I am using to email the minimal price. Okay, next one, telnet, terminal emulation protocol. This is the enable to the internet user log on remote computer or network. Telnet means the member of TCP/IP family of internet protocol, allow the communication with any computer linked over the internet. News groups, one can participate and discussion on wide range of topics from recreational activities of scientific research via utility called Usenet is the group. Okay, news group is the participate discussion, number of people is the any doubt and any clarification and any and company's details you are created to the news group discussion to number of questions is raised immediately, the problem is solved to use news groups. Internet relay. Next one, internet relay chart. Okay, allow the people from all over world communicate in real time. This is the, suppose the information is the forwarded to source to destination using internet relay charts. The test data transferred to one location to another location. All the peoples from all our world do communicate it in the real time. Next one, internet telephony. Allow the internet user talk across the internet to any PC equipment to receive the calls. Internet telephony, the voice communication to source to destination, one location to another location. Okay, you are using the internet telephony, you are using communication channel. Next one, internet fax. The documentation terminate. It is the real time documentation transmittal. The data that transferred to one location to another location, source to destination, the data is the transfer using the internet fax. Streaming audio and videos. It allows the one of communication services is provided by the internet. Okay. Next one, information retrieval services. FTP. This is the existing server information retrieval services offer easy access to the information present on the internet. This is the FTP. It is also used send the data information of files from one computer to another, which is the facility is the call to FTP. Suppose you have data and audio files and video files, anything you are using one computer, also used send the data information, the files one computer to another computer. The facility is the call to the FTP. FTP means file transfer protocol. Gopher, second one is the Gopher, used to search and retrieve and display the documentation on remote sites. Gopher use identify the documentation, okay, retrieve the documentation, display the documentation using the Gopher. Okay. Veronica means the very easy, okay, oriented net-wide indexed computer achieved. This is the it is the nothing but the Gopher based resources. It allows the access the information resources stored to Gopher services. Archive. Next one is the archive. It is the search utility. Search is the internet based of the files and names are particular files, and this is identify the files and search the files, and the information is the gathered used to the archive. Okay. Wide area information services. The wide area information services database contain the mostly text based documentation, although WAIS wide area information servers documentation may contain sounds, pictures, videos as well as, okay, this can be TCP IP protocol information retrieving. Okay. Next one, web services. The web services allow the exchanging the information between the application and web. Using web services and application easily interacted with the others. Okay, the information, the application, okay, exchange the information, application to web using the web servers, easily interacted to the services and applications, easily interacted with the others. Okay. World Wide Web. World Wide Web means WWW. This is also W3. Okay. It offer access documentation spread over the several servers over the internet. This documentation may contain text and graphics, audios and videos, hyperlink. Okay. WW means this is the World Wide Web. Access the documentation. Suppose the documentation several servers over the internet spread the documentation spread the several server over the internet. The documentation may consist the contain the text, graphics, audios and videos and hyperlinks. Suppose the hyperlink allow the user navigate between the documentation, identify the documentation, which location documentation is stored. This is the used in the World Wide Web. Video conferencing. One can have link talk with the person all around the worldwide and can hold the meeting if the sitting just their side of video conferencing of multimedia conferencing, face to face communication. Okay, you are sitting in your home, okay, another person is sitting in the office, communicated both. Okay, face to face communication, voice communication and face communication, all are the your work is completed using to video conference. Online entrance exam, online entrance examination and result. Suppose you apply the RRB and you apply the bank examinations, the students given the exams online. The total exams completed in our online through the result in online. Okay, the examination using online and hall tickets and total process in this online. Okay, entrance examination and result totally depend upon the internet and online process. Okay, suppose advantages of internet. Next one, advantages of internet. First one, nowadays using internet almost everywhere. Internet has got it widespread acceptance due to and facility provided it. We can search the almost topics on internet using the search engine. We have any the baby images and sceneries, okay, audios and videos, anything you are search in search engine. Thousands of pages of information is kept available in various topics in internet. Okay, you like books, 1000 pages of books, 1000 pages of books and millions of books is stored in internet. A part of it provided to the information. Internet has some more significant and a number of advantages are electronic mails. The email is the fast, easy and economic way of sending messages anyone having the internet accounting. Suppose the data is transferred to source to destination using the emails, we can send the text and images and audios and videos anywhere in the universe. The information will dispatch the sending and irrespective of distance. Okay. Next one, downloading software and programs. Using internet we can download useful software programs, etc. Using internet we can update and our existing programs like antivirus and etc. Suppose you like editing software, you like designing softwares, you like MS Office, you like any software is downloaded trial versions in our computer and any program. Suppose the existing program like antivirus softwares and the viruses and attack in your computer, compulsory you want antivirus software. The antivirus software when immediately antivirus software installed in our computers, the system is safe. We can also upload them so the people internet can be utilizes them. Next one, entertainment. This is the thousands of games and made available the internet free cost and get relaxed. Internet also retrieve the current movies or any other topics. Well, the part interactive to the conversations with the several peoples across the universe. Suppose you like the games, okay, online games and offline games. Suppose you like the online games and PUBG games, etc. The games is available internet free cost of get relaxed. Internet also review the current movies, number of movies. Okay, present you like old movies, you like new movies, all movies is stored in this internet. Other topics are the part of interactive the conversations several people across the universe. Okay, next one, online shopping and e-commerce. With use the internet, shopping is the article can be done right from your home office without visiting the shop. You are without visiting the shop, you are sitting in your home. Okay, number of e-commerce websites and Flipkart and Amazon and Myntra, number of websites. You are open the website, you like any articles, you like dresses, you like anything. Without visiting the shop, you purchase. You can order almost any kind of materials like books, computers and softwares and dresses. Okay. Next one, disadvantages. Okay, we can tend the purchases those extra items. that we rarely need. Such purchases are wastage of money. Okay, you want one dress, you want one electronic device, but you purchase those extra items. This is rarely need. Such purchases are wastage money. This is the one disadvantage, and the internet is not free. Sometimes you hurt when you pay the bill. There are hundreds of vendors selling the products, various brands. We get confused with the too many choices. Okay, suppose the number of brands in the internet, you identify usage, you are confused. Okay, that is the another disadvantages. The physical distance among loved one the increase. Okay, somewhere emotional connections between people are missing. Okay, I am in here, my brother in abroad. Okay, the physical distance among the loved ones the increase. Somewhere emotional connections between the people is the missing. We feel helpless when the internet connections is done. Okay, next one, we always remaining engaged with many online activities such as checking emails, socializing, chatting, online shopping, business deals, and you don't get time to rest. Nowadays the people only meet on social networking websites on internet. Face to face contact reduced, and no direct contact with friends and family. All information shared on internet is not 100% accurate. Sometimes the people spend more time on internet, on surfing, on usual websites, which may affect their work or studies. Theft of personal information on internet, that is the disadvantages. Hackers who the theft the important data or benefits. The cybercrime is the common nowadays on the internet. Okay, on internet viruses attacked which may slow down your computer. This is the number of disadvantages in internet. Next one, internet applications. First one is the search engine. It can be used to search the anything and everything. Most popular search engines are Google and Yahoo search engines. The Google and Yahoo search engines. Suppose you like flower images, you like dresses, you like baby names, you like babies. Okay, any information you are identify, you are search in a search engine. Okay, the anything and everything you can use it to number of search engines, Google and Yahoo. Okay, all search engines you are using. Okay, any data. Okay, almost anything and any data and any information display the internet. Shopping. Shopping has become easier with the on internet. You can buy and sell online. Okay, you like anything, you like dresses, you like electronic devices, you like groceries, anything you purchases and buy and sell online. Communication, this is the major role of the internet. This help of the people communicated either with social networking websites or through email. Even chatting is the major use of internet. Next one, the communication is you are using WhatsApp and Facebook, and the next one email. We are using any software and any application software using to communicate it to other peoples. The search, job search. Nowadays the many people search for the job online. There larger variety of job vacancies are present. Job search. Okay, job alert, naukri.com. You are identify the RRB jobs, APPSP jobs, okay, UPSC jobs, anything. Nowadays, many people search the jobs online in related websites. Hobbies. Those who have certain hobbies try to improve on reading up many aspects of hobbies. You like reading books, collection coins. You are daily open your news related websites. That is your hobby using internet. Research papers is the present online which help of research doing the review. Suppose you have any research, any particular you are created to one project. The research papers in online, the every help of the researcher doing the literature review. Studying. Nowadays, right from kinder, guardian children exposed to internet and computers, they find the useful things of learn to the internet. Online present, anybody learn on internet, online classes, level education, this is the best level. Lately, internet is the education, online education books have even reduced the need of library. Next one. Internet applications are completed. Next one, internet addressing. A way to locate people, computers and internet resources, IP address and domain names, electronic mail address and URLs. The general internet addressing is the systematic way to identify the people, the computer and internet resources. This is the internet terms is the addresses used to loosely. This is the IP address means internet protocol. The address is the unique number. Identify the computer internet. The computer directly connected to the internet has one. Every client, server, network devices must have unique IP address. Any device you are connected to the internet, commonly device must have unique IP address for each network and connection interfaces. IP address is the consist of 4 numbers separated dot. Each number must be 0 and 255. An example 204.81.205.32. Next one, domain name. The most computers on the internet have unique domain name. Special computers is called to the domain name server. Look up domain name and match to corresponding IP address so that data can be properly routed to destination of internet. An example domain name is healthyway.com and aknu.com and facebook.com. Domain name are easier for the most people related the numeric IP address. Electronic mail addresses. Other network may the different electronic mail addresses scheme within the own network to be used. Internet email, these addresses obtained need to be modified. For example, within computer server email addresses consist only 2 numbers separated by the comma. 36547, 891. To convert the addresses can be used internet. The comma is changed to a period and a number services and the username. The domain name is the computerserver.com, so the internet addresses would be 36547.891 ampersand computerserver.com. This is the electronic mail server. URLs. URL standard for Uniform Resources Locator. URL used identify the specific sites and files available on the worldwide. Suppose the structure of URL, protocol server and top level domain and directories and file names. This is the, for example, URL www.healthyway.com. Okay, once again, the internet, what is internet, and services of internet, and advantages and disadvantages of internet, and IP address. Okay, let's start internet. The internet is the global system interconnected to the number of networks. Is the standard for the protocol. The billions of users in the worldwide. Network of networks is the millions of private and public and academic and business and government networks. This is all the networks you are using. You have any information, you are find the any information using the internet. Suppose you are clearly what is the internet? Internet is the worldwide global system. This is the telephone network. You are called to another location, person talk to, your information is the transfer, communicated to the both. The internet is the worldwide system, is the interconnection to the computer network. Internet use the standard internet protocol using the TCP/IP, transmission control protocol, and internet protocol. Every computer is identify the unique IP address. This is the major important point. The IP address is the unique set of numbers, okay, which identify the computer location. The special computer is the DNS. This is the IP address that can be located to the computer name is the DNS. DNS server will be resolved the HTTP www.webdunia.com. Okay. Next one, services of internet. The best services: communication services, information retrieval services, web services, and World Wide Web. The communication services are email, telnet, net group, internet relay charts, internet telephony, internet fax, and stream audio video. Email, send and receiving the mails around the worldwide, minimal price. Telnet is the terminal elimination protocol enabled to, this is the remote computer network is connected to the TCP/IP. The communication with any computer link using telnet. News group, and participate in a discussion on the web range of topics. Simple internet relay charts. Next one, allow the people all over the world the communication in the real time. Next one, internet telephony, allow the internet talk across the internet to any the PC equipment receive the call. Internet. Next one, internet fax, it is the real time documentation terminal. Okay. Next one, internet fax, it is the real time documentation terminal. Streaming and audios and videos, it is also the communication services provided by the internet. Okay. All are communication services. Okay. Information retrieval services, FTP and Gopher. Suppose I have one data, send the data information file from one computer to another with the facility is called to FTP. Gopher is search and retrieve, display the documentation. Okay. Next one, Achieve, it is the search utility, search on the internet based file name and partial file names. Okay. Next one, web services. Web services allow the exchange of information between the application. Suppose web services and applications can easily interact with the others. World Wide Web, WW is also known as W3. It offers a way access of documentation spread over the several servers over the internet. The documentation consists of text and graphics and audios and videos. Video conference is the best World Wide Web and online entrance examination result and etc. Number of advantages are emails, downloading softwares and programs, entertainment, and next one, anything online shopping and e-commerce. The disadvantages, okay, the physical distance among the loved one is increased. Somewhere emotional contacts between the people are missing. We feel helpless when the internet connection is down. Nowadays, the people any meeting on social networking website on internet, Face-to-face contact is the reduced hence, no direct contact with the friends and family. Okay, all information shared on internet is not 100% accuracy. Okay, theft of personal information on internet. Cybercrime is the common nowadays in the internet. Next one, internet application, search engine, shopping, communication, job search, hobbies, okay, research, studies. All are internet applications. Okay. Next one, what are the internet addresses? IP address, mail address, and URL address. Simple. IP address is the unique number of identify the computer in internet. Internet identify the computer using IP address, any location and anywhere and worldwide. Domain name, the most computer internet have the unique domain name. Okay. Electronic mails, other network may be different electronic mail address is the scheme within one network. Next one, URL, uniform resource locator. URL used to identify the specific and file available in the World Wide Web. Okay. This is the total information about internet.